I'm going to show you how you can change the style of a Pinterest pin directly in Canva. It's super easy and quick. And then I'm going to show you how you can schedule this pin to Pinterest directly within Canva. So here's my Pinterest pin that I've created. This is about the Simply Passive course because it's got a module about how to find your niche. And if I want to change the styling, I just come across and I can choose different text. This one. And then I got top right and I can say share. And then I can say Pinterest. Choose your board, fill out your title, just select which one you want, and then your description, destination, and publish right now. I do have pros, so that's how I can schedule as well. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.